Creating a shapefile in arcpro is easy, but it might not be obvious if you're used to arcmap. So what you need to do is you need to create a feature class. So you can go into database and select a new file geodatabase where you're going to be saving your feature class. So you can just navigate to a working directory and save it in there. So let's create a new file database, new database. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and create a new feature class within this geo database. This would effectively be your shapefile within this new database. So let's say you want to create a coastal polyline. You can go ahead and give it a .shp extension if you want, but it will do that automatically anyway. And then you can select what type of file it is. Let's go for polyline in this case. If you've got an existing template feature class, you can just add that in. We don't. And then you can say whether or not you want the feature class to have measurable values in X orientation. We do. It doesn't have elevation. Select your coordinate system, and you're ready to go. That will run, and it will add your shapefile to your project. To then edit that, it's dead easy. Again, you just need to make sure that you've got it selected, and then you'll see the edit tab become active. You can just say create, and then we go over to our coastal polyline. In this case, we're going to just create a line feature, and we're just going to trace this part of the coast. If you want to, double click to finish. Happy days. You don't have to stop editing. You just you're done. And then you can use this use the tool to modify if you so wish. So if you wanted to change those vertices, you can do. And if you're happy with it, then you just click the arrow, the tick, and it's made those changes. I hope that's helpful. Thank you.